Okay now. Orulo. My lover begin wrong. I said I calm down, I go see for this community. The can't go play. Where would I go see? The whole of this I never seen her before. Now me is do the talk. Shebi I don't go wake up sleeping lion. I go run to the whole place catch fire.
What is really happening in this our community? We can no more sleep with our two eyes closed. Our once peaceful community has now turned into a theater of war. Our youths have decided to group themselves. Some say they are Dewa, others say they are Dewell. The other group say they are land green, Greenlander. What is really happening in our community, my elder?
Maziokoko, if I tell you that I have answers to these your questions, I will be exaggerating. But what I do know is that when the spirit of destruction visits a community, their first target is the youth. Because that is where we have placed, where the community's hope is lying. Our youth have been taken over by the spirit of destruction.
Hey!
Okay. They well, they bam, they ga, they kozo. Where did they get those names from? What baffles me most is that the more they kill themselves, the more they get others get initiated. I have never seen that kind of madness. What I know that is certain is that our community has turned into a land where the vultures call for feast and then declare the living dead. But I know one thing again, that their atrocious paths is definitely going to lead them to the valley of skulls. Because the dog's insolence, arrogance, makes it a meal for the deity at the crossroads.
We can no longer fold our hands and our leg and watch these boys take over our community. Mbano, it is not possible. So what do you suggest we do?
The worst part of it is that they do not have respect for anybody. Can you imagine that one small rat called me? In fact, I didn't even need to was calling. He's like, hey. I stopped. I looked, I thought it was somebody. I didn't know he was calling me. He said, hey, will you stop there? Will you dab I'm there?
Hey!
I said, what? He said, dab I'm there. I don't know what is meant by dab.
Hey!
And the worst part of it again is that my son, my once obedient son, has become something else.
Hey.
I can't even call him and he comes.
Oh, wait, maybe.
Like you said, we are going to do something and very fast. We're not going to fold our hands. I suggest we have an elders meeting. And then from there we'll go and meet the Igwe. Solution must be found before these boys and girls destroy our land.
I am solidly behind you.
That's okay.
I'm with you.
We will have to move to the Igwe, to the Onowu's place now, so that we can put our heads together and see what can happen.
Let's.
Sonny, this is the last time that we warn you on this matter. On this matter, now the last time. You dey hear me? You dey hear what I tell you? But what matter again? What matter again? Look, listen, anything that will make you to get close to those your friends, you have to cancel it. Cancel it, because as I speak to you, they will come for you after running away from them. They will come for you.
I don't like the way you always bitter about me.
You are too stubborn. You are too stubborn, my brother. You are too stubborn. And they talk to you, they talk nonsense. You're too stubborn. What did they worry you? What is your problem? Eh? What is your problem? You know they ever hear waiting and they always talk. Look, let me tell you something. Time has come for you to push my back, because both of us, we have to fight together and retrieve all that we've lost. What did they worry you? I am planning your destruction. What did they disturb you, my brother? Make you take your time, oh. If not one of these days, I will slap you. I'm telling you. And they tell you.
Best now, senior man! You know, I like anytime they ginger me like this, but don't go.
I don't tell you. And they tell you now.
Best now.
And they go a kind of low place, man. Go say.
Like I've all planned. Please, I would like it to remain where we planned it. No mistakes and no excuses. I mean, anyone that messes up this our deal, guy, ananas they be now. That person, I go fuck am up.
Hey, Sonny, what did they worry you? You don't go use your head. Eh?
How many times have I warned you not to be sitting with these useless boys? This is from court and this is not go here. How many times have I warned you? Huh? You the close? Since I came back to this community to make sure I restore peace and orderliness, you don't fight. You don't sit with this nonsense boys. You don't go work.
Baba, leave that thing. You see you. He planted like a shower from St. Louis. Come here. Your brother carry what did they worry about the Jones?
On a papa get big light on the cruise.
Carry
Which guy on a papa get this guy light? If I do anything I need to like, you know anything I need to like. No, for
your father, because of what?
That's why I give this son. Now what if they come here? And brother don't come carry that.
Which guy nonsense? Yeah, na baras.
Anything will happen, make it happen. If brother no, they see what happen here.
Man for himself, you hear me?
See, make a tell her now. Sonny no get sense.
Yeah, no be baras so.
Him brother saying come this time and to come move himself. Yeah, you know say na youth na be the power of freedom.
Imagine that guy, yo.
No, say now we get this community.
Imagine that guy, they come on to us here.
Wow. Make them focus. So.
This stop again. Silas! And I've got this boy to just... Oh my God. What's happening here? Even... Okay. Silas, oh... This boy, let me ask you a question. I don't know. What's going on here? This boy can't even do one thing straight. Eh?
Ichamadi! What kind of nonsense is that? Who gave you the M43? They ordered the power to take possession of the land that belongs to my father. What is all this nonsense for? What is this, Ichamadi? What have we done to you?
What do you mean? Let me tell you, you small boy of yesterday,
This bloody civilian.
don't come here and begin to run your mouth.
This bloody civilian.
Because you think you are put on this, whatever you call it, military uniform. Come on, let me tell you, the hand of nature has finally returned back that which rightly belongs to me, back to me. My son.
Who is your son? I will personally break the legs of that nature that returned that land to your father. What is all this, Ichamadi? Can any of your sons be like me? Can any of your sons be like me? Oh, because I left this community. I left this community to the north to serve this great country. You and your sons connived and took the land that belongs to my father. Ichamadi, let me warn you. Let me warn you. No. Sit down there. Sit down there. I said sit down. Sit down there.
Silas! Silas!
A madman.
Silas, come to brother. Come with the brother.
Papa, what is it? What happened?
Is it not this?
My brother, what happened with the provoke to my father like that? What happened?
Is it not this? This big for nothing. Because it's not military uniform. He came here and asked me to return back the land I took from them. That which is mine.
That one when they talk now rubbish. You don't talk nonsense. Those things happen when we are too tender. You don't hear me? Not the elders for this community contribute money. Put why go this church that we go? Not be my school fees for no join for the money when they contribute. Make it go become human being. You don't go, come back. Now land, now you know. We go come drag as he big like this. See, make I tell you, if I slap you,
You slap me. You go slap me.
Wait.
I'm not the great. If I Ichamadi. You. Where are they? Where now? If I beat you, if you don't get the land, the documents of my father's land, I will deal with each and every one of you. I will deal with you. Nonsense. I'll give you just a moment.
After not like anything, no. Still not like anything. Where they? Where they? Where they? Where they? Where they? No worry. I tell you first. You never know me at this cat, Abi.
my anger don't rise. This guy don't provoke me. Nobody don't touch me for head before. I was just waiting for me. Papa, no.
See, I am back again. I am warning you people. Look, as for you.
Yes, my son.
No worry. Don't worry. I will come back again.
Papa, leave her. Come, just come. I'm annoyed now. I don't deserve. Come. Don't worry. Come, leave her. I go kill that boy. Don't worry. Come back. Leave her. I'm very annoyed. Ichi, I'm not happy.
You are not happy?
Yes.
How can you come to my house and you sit down, you are telling me you are not happy? What's the problem?
Ichi, is it not about this stupid boy? This big for nothing idiot that comes self, I'm a man.
The one that came from Sambisa forest.
I don't care where he came from. Yes. Do we have them two here? He came to start where the father stopped. I know why he come to you. Because you are the only person that knows the history of that land.
Yes, of
very
course.
well.
Yes, of course.
Ichi, you know how nature returned my land to me.
Yes.
And the same song is threatening that I shouldn't step my foot in that land again.
What?
Yes. Please, help me warn him. Because if he continues, what will happen? The whole community would not be enough for 2 of us. And if care is not taken, what will happen will affect the entire community.
Elder. No, now. It hasn't gotten to that stage. You came here to report a case, and now you are not threatening the community. So which one do you want me to take? The threat or the report? Anyway, I've heard what you said. He's still around. I'll call him and I'll speak with him. And by the time I am done talking with him, I'll get back to you. But I have a piece of advice. This man has license to kill. He also has a gun in his hand. Furthermore, he signed death. Our people say that a living dog is better than a dead lion, because I feel the anger in his voice. If you must confront him, hide your head, because he who fights and runs away lives to fight and battle. That is my advice for you.
Micheal, if he thinks he has license to kill, I equally have my own license to kill. In other words, you know,
okay.
If he dares step into that land again, this is our science. If a child refuses to ask what kills his father, what kills his father, we will kill him.
Pray that you will be alive.
No, forget that. I'll be alive. Let me go for now. Let me go. Let me go.
All right, Isaac. Thank you very much.
Isaac,
when will you be in? When will you be useful to yourself? Just look at yourself. What have I not done to make you useful? I sent you to school. In your first year, you came back home waft. You said you want to learn skill. I sent you for Agon wedding. Within a space of 6 months, you broke the head of your master and came back home without money. Why? Isaac, why?
Papa, please. Please, Papa.
If not that you are my father and that I have been living in this house, in this same house with you ever since I was born, I would have asked you to call my mother for her to come here and tell us who is actually my father. Because we don't have the same resemblance, Papa. Look at you. You don't have mustache. There is no beard on your jaw apart from this little one here. But look at me, I'm very hairy. Look at your size. I look like as heavy as a lion, and you're looking like a skeleton. In fact, an ant. Look, Papa. Look at the house you've been living in ever since I was born. We've been living in this house. There is nothing that you have done to change the status of this family. And here you are telling me, Isaac, that has become the head of a court. Do you know what it entails to be the head of a court, Papa? Papa, I seem to forget that for you to be a head of a court, Papa, in school, you must be a very brilliant student. I am the most brilliant in my faculty and department, Papa. That is why I am the head of the court group. The white man who sent me to go and learn Agon wedding, Papa, that same stupid homosexual wanted to my nyash, and I had to break his head to run away from him. I came back to this house and I lied to you just to cover up. And here you are blaming me, counting defaults on me for no reason, because I didn't tell you the truth, Papa. And now Isaac, listen. Listen. All I'm asking you to do is to quit from this courtesy. You came back home and you recruited all the boys in this community to play courtesy. You have forgotten that when you killed the brave one in an internal war,
you stand to remember the brave one when the external war comes. These boys that you keep killing and your group keep killing every day by day in the community are the people that will fight for this community if you have any external attack. So why the killing? Besides, these boys don't only kill their members. They at times come for the parents and the family members of the cultists. Please, if you want me to live and the entire family members, quit now. Even if it requires me taking you out of this community for a while, I will do that.
Papa, listen. See, I am not leaving this community no matter what. You understand me? I am not leaving this community. I am a lion. And as a lion that I am, I can never eat grass. I can only feed on meat, no matter the economy in the jungle. Papa, in fact, I am beginning to suspect you. This is your white and black card. You are now a member of the PEBAM. Those bobos, Emenike has recruited you. You are now one of their members. Else, why would you be wearing the white and black cap when other chiefs are wearing red cap? Are you not a chief in this community? Papa, are you not a chief? You want me to run away for Emenike? Emenike, a land that I fought and gained recognition from the government. You want me to leave this land for Emenike? It is people like you that allowed the missionaries to come here and take over our land. It is people like you that sold 7 able-bodied men for a piece of a mirror in trade by barter. People like you that don't have anything to think about. Look at what you're telling me in this generation. This generation now, you're asking me to run for Emenike in this land. See, Papa, that will be the last thing I will ever do. Emenike must go down. They must leave this community for me. I'll make sure I fight with the last drop of my blood to make sure that they leave this place. Else, even you, Papa, you and them will have me to contend with. You have to be careful with me, Papa. But anyway, I've heard you. I will see what I can do about it. That is what I can promise now. But Papa, please, I don't want this issue to repeat itself because I'm not the only one killing in this community. Let it just end here. Ew. In fact, I have something to go and buy. I don't to see. Let me go and see my friends.
My God. Am I sure that this boy is
Abdul! Yeah. How now? Yo, how is Musa now? Wow! My brother, I'm in my village, in fact, as I speak to you now, I'm right on my father's land here. I am trying to see how the land is, you understand? To see what is happening. I've not been around for long time, you know, my brother. What? They attacked our cantonment again. Shege, damn bro, by Boko Haram. What? Abdul. Come, wait. Aisha, my girl, Aisha. Check my brother, please. Check on her, please. Please. Damn bro, Shege. What? My brother, take care of yourself. I'll be back very soon, Once I'm done with all this rubbish happening in my community, I'll be back. Okay, take care. My brother, look at these people, look. What? What is wrong with these Boko Haram people? Boko Haram?
no to Western civilization. Okay, fine. If I don't want to read book, not gonna allow people want to read book now. What did happen? Anyway, let's go. From the beginning of that corner there, down to the end there. Okay. I don't survey everything. Let me have the food also.
Okay. But sir, there's a palm tree over there. Is it also inclusive?
No, it has exceeded, but add everything up. Let me see who will cough in this land.
Land they grow, maybe don't increase, our land don't increase
this community. Let me see who will cough in this community. What did they do there? Huh? What do you think you're doing there? What kind of nonsense be that? What it is that what do you think you're doing there? What rubbish are you talking about? Where the point hand? See, if I deal with you, if I deal with you for this land, you see how the effrontery to establish 30 feet into this land. You wear up and bend them. Come here and talk and okay, make I ask you now, where boundary day? Soldier, where boundary day? Where boundary day? You don't know anything. You don't know anything, just a point hand. The point hand. If I slap you for this land, you can forget your uniform, go back north. You say you. Ichi Amadi, I can see you did not cure this thing, this your son. You did not kill this boy properly before you presented this boy here today. I can see he's a madman already. Look at him. Look at your son. He's very sick. He does not even understand what is happening. He does not understand what is happening.
Stop that! You are the mad person here. He is mad. He's mad. Yes.
But I will send him to his early asylum. Nonsense. Nonsense. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why not come and assist your ancestor to work on this land? People are mad. Henceforth, I will not show mercy on anybody again that starts his feet on this land again. Nobody. I will show you where I'm coming from. Nonsense. Nonsense. Give me my knife. Surveyor, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let me see anybody again that will come here to come and claim rubbish here. I will send you back to your ancestors. Nonsense. Are you? Come here. See those your nonsense called boys that you hang around with. See those nonsense jobless boys that you hang around with. As for you, I will shoot you. I will shoot. Come on, move like. Why you making the halami? Why you making the halami? Please, my brother, the best I didn't take the best. Hey! Come on, watch your mouth. Yeah, see. Any of you that comes back here again to come and claim rubbish, you understand me? Because I left this community since I went to the north. Trained as a complete soldier. I fought for this country. I came back because I've not been around. You people come here and try to misbehave, claim my father's property. No police on them, and they crash for our way. Let me see any of you again. I will come here again.
I know that as a dinner,
Senior boy, I want to ping give you. Based on how you be, me I know say I be enemy. I went to man to where you dey. But courtesan na courtesan. Suppose know. So no man, I dey get the game for my area and I make a tour. You know they say what no be wrong. Based on say my brother na Onyame. My niggas won't call the reason me Johnson. They won't call the reason me Johnson. So now boy, I want cross carpet as a piece. So I want cross carpet. Now I'm at my community.
You want cross carpet? My brother, look here, make I tell you. Not be chess game, oh. They are me. My mind. She dey wait na dey talk. See for this community, you know be those squirrel boys wey dey misbehave anyhow. Thief anyhow, they will move themselves for this community. You sure say you don't make up your mind to join the big boys game?
But courtesan na courtesan. Suppose know.
Wahala. I don't hear what you talk. I go meet our uncle head today. Later today I go meet our uncle head because me and am get waka and I go to see your matatora. If I tell you your matatora finish, later on you come fuck me up. I go let you know say continue, what must be because me I go treat you para.
You're intentionally carried.
Zeg.
Snyder.
Much more regard for you. Zeg, you get matter wey just come my room. You know this boy now where they call Sammy.
Sanu Efe. With Sam.
Bunyami brother now.
Okay, we get small good.
Yeah. He just show me for my room today.
Okay.
What they review some matter. These all these small boys, these small squirrel boys who they misbehave they tip up and down. See the boys they come after them.
Why be squirrel boy now?
Yes, in the squirrel boy. Now in the time you say you want cross carpet, enter our big boy. So me I dey let them know say na mine though. Na mine.
Snazzy, if any fuck operations through you, I no go take am easy with you at all. You know say you never even reason am. Say if you be say that boy they use am, come set us so that they go below us. You don't reason am like that. Check am now. How somebody wey be squirrel boy go tell you say you wan move onto cross carpeting matter and you just carry am like this dey front am to me. Snazzy, check am na for call. But if anything come through you, guy, mark my words, I no go take am at all easy. You dey hear me?
Bros, calm down.
Come on, shut up! Who goes? Who see you?
To God who made me, if you utter that word again, I will give you better slap. You the Chris, no reason to talk to ya.
Guy, we go reason that matter.
You see this? No worry. For the CF, we go serve this girl.
Snazzy, onto this sonny boy matter, we will reason am later. We just call small CF.
But bros, wetin I dey talk na true.
Now for keep quiet, stop, I go stop you the Chris.
That's when I don't get respect again, abi.
WS West side. WS West side. Boom. Bubbles. 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 Ojo Njeleke. WS West side. Bubbles. Boom. 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 Ogo, we don't come. Your children don't come. So if you, as we don't come here today, now two matter and carry all scores. Catalina, you no go free, you must get it, yo. Catalina,
You know go free, you must be real.
Yeah, man, don't call me. And again, my bye-bye. Yeah, man, don't call me. You no go green, you must be real. Bubbles! Bubbles! Go. Now your children will don't gather again today with this select.
Everybody up your bonnet. Fast!
I'm too rugged for nonsense. I am for everybody, and everybody is for me. Too blessing to see rubbish. See will see you. Say be. Capless and listen more.
I hear you.
Capless always and listen more.
I hear you.
Ogo. Now your children will don't gather again. And because of this, we don't say all these things so we won't pray today, you go respond and you go answer us. Wow. As it don't be now, all the people they chase us, that's what they're going to chase them when they fall. Bubbles! As you see everything they be, so you know say Ogo don't answer us. And that is why anybody when they pursue us, go they fall. Anybody when they fly evil against us, big chop, the food no go pass it through. If you they drink like this, sweat like go the enter your mouth. You capless and listen more. I say you do. The reason why I call this CF be say you get this boy, sonny boy, with the reason our matter, the boy is saying they like us. So today, I want to make us sight out. And as it be so, I want making GF bring and come, make all of us see the matter as it be. The guy want protection from us, and we must give him that protection. So we go let her know say all these guys, when they after him, they no rich. Bubbles! Go let them know say they no rich. Now so we go they enter them one by one. They bring them down.
As they hot.
Bring the guy on deck, go see.
Too much talk, bring the basket.
No, the line.
As you wait for him so, everybody just make your mind see. This guy enter finally. What do you need from us now protection? You get who will not be protect. You get who will not be protect. Now what do you go receive say? Naturally you cap less and listen more.
I hear you, national.
Cap less and listen more.
Come on, go down, go down.
Bubbles! Bubbles! As you don't be, oh.
Say be.
Oga, your children they don't gather again. As it be so, who don't they, who don't come, don't come.
I hear you.
See who see you.
I say you.
Hear no evil and talk no evil.
Worry who worry you.
Worry you, you are okay. Come on, not get you. As it don't be so, Sonny boy, I'm going to call him. He don't come, so he don't come. And as it don't be, anything where you hear, die here with us. Anything where you see here, you die here with us. Sonny boy, who bring you come here?
Now my man bring me come.
Who bring you come?
The man? Who bring you come here?
That my friend, that I'm before two here.
What point one?
Let me bring myself.
I bring himself.
No one day man there. That we a black man.
Sonny
who
boy.
don't get joy.
Sonny boy. From today, your name is no longer Sonny boy. Your bush name is what you'll be answering. And your bush name is Blazing Bobo. Blaze! Blazing Bubbles! Which means that Blaze from today be your bush name. And everything they're going to call you. Bubbles! As you don't be now, you cap less and listen more. I say it be. You don't hear me?
Yes.
Nonsense. What be this one? You wear canvas. You dey do they want to go. Which kind of rubbish be this one now, Ada? Sabi dey yarn like that. You dey craze? I dey craze. Come on, shut up, Deba. No police Deba. They straight, they corner. Why they disgrace me for this community? You know say you don't old. See, Mama, if you no won't stop all this nonsense wey they do, I swear I go use my hand. I go drag you go give all these community boys. Then go deal with you. See, let me warn you. If I hear any quaking for this community, I will suck your blood. Ma, say you don't hold on. Stop all this nonsense. I said, come on, Deba. No, really, Deba, madam. They bend. You come. Don't worry.
Hey, Papa, Jackson. There's a question that they call you and Hey, Jackson is the looking like the Jones. You won't make a bump you. What did they worry you? Is the Jones? Is the Miss Khalifa?
boy, when you take your time, oh. Take your time, Sonny, take your time, or else I go order your drilling. They hear me. The Jones. So it don't reach you like this, eh? It don't reach you when I go call you, go walk at the pass because of the cluster bubbles for this town. When we dey pure the whole Angala way there for this one. Where bubbles then day? Where then day? Now you get mind, they do anyhow because of say you go the cluster bubbles. Who be bubbles? Where then day? Who then be? They get orientation? Huh? Where you focus, so if not be one thing, then I go just order your drilling here, they will carry you knock for ground here, scale you where. You go not say no be child's play.
Let the face. Come on, let the face.
Huh? See, make I tell you. You see that time, man, where you call your brother? We forget in road. Come on, for Zamfara. Where all of them join hands, send them address for tight newspaper. So that he go find the way, come back, he come here, come they claim say I'm a man. Who stupid am a man be that? Those bubbles, where you they follow Sonny, now then go take your life.
Don't be lie.
You get mind for my hand. You get mind for my hand. Maybe see, you know the land matter between us and Silas. You supposed back me based on who you be. But you reason me Johnson. You reason me, and you know my brother said I'm a man. You reason me Johnson, and you won't make the rest. The ship don't scatter. The sea don't rough. If you see me next time, use your head.
Come on, sit here. Come on.
Aboy, fall us.
No, man.
That is nonsense again.
Iceland! Nami, Mankiwan! Nami, be done. Nami, Mankiwan! If you do anyhow, you go see anyhow. I will tell us about several weeks to play game, one with the play game. Make the tire die to the toe. Abba, this guy don't touch. Abba, maintain. This guy don't provoke me. Maintain. Maintain. Come here again. Okay, you. Ayo, hello. I slap, boom, walk. Boku just start. No worry, we go see that. That's how it is. We're not there. That's how it is. Anyhow, we'll see. You. I'm not worried. We go use our can't call for this time. He might come in, man. Hold the fire there. I'm gonna fire like a man. I will.
I wanted to see your brother, but they say he has gone back. The message I wanted to give to him, I will give to you now. It's in connection with that land. The land in dispute between you and Silas's father. I'm an elder in this community, and I know the history of that land. I knew when your father used intimidation of a military man to collect that land from Silas's father. Now that he is late, I was thinking that both of you will now decide to right the wrongs of yesterday. He said your brother came to his house, threatening him and warning him to steer clear of that land. My message to him is that as an elder, they say an elder does not stay at home and watch a goat deliver on better. So send this message to him. I should leave that land for Silas's father, because that land rightfully belongs to him.
Gee! No, I think they go say we no get respect. No. I think if I do something now, they go say we no get respect. I no get respect, Abi. First, make thunder fire that person who tells my brother don't travel back. My brother just go visit somebody. So you get mind. They talk about that land to me. You, wait till Sabi for this community. It's Sabi something past my father. It's Sabi history for this community past my father. Man, I tell you if you don't know. Before my father died, my father they mentioned that land even when he enter grave. Now you come here now. They yam me akpata. You know what for this community? I don't think I say no one for this community. Any day, why I hear you talk about that land matter again? If knife not enter you, gun will enter you. Because the work is big.
They talk to me here. Come back, wrong with this thing for you, Chris.
Now because of just this thing, now just the reason. If not, I will fuck you up. But anyhow, try come out this white one, the army. Try come out this one.
Hey. Who the gods want to kill, they first make mad. This is how his father was killed by the gods. And yours will not be different.
Hey, Joe. Come on, laugh.
If not be one or two, if not be one or two. But take this thing. But next time you see me for road again, talk rubbish or momo about that land. I'll fuck you up. I promise you.
Iceland, hello, anyo, hello, anyo, boom, wah, boom, wah, boom, wah, boom, wah, boom, 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 wah, boom, 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 Atikperere, Atikperara, Atikperere, Atikperara, ta.
Prince Odin, a man without a god is like a man without destiny. From the world beyond, and from the time that has passed over, up to eternity, I beg you, Prince Odin, the ruler of the universe, the creator and the inspirator of wise mortals, the ruler of Valhalla, the king of Valhalla, I beg you, Prince Odin, to come down from Valhalla and cluster your disciples, because we have come to kill, to steal, and to destroy all the bubbles we say we no go prevail for this land.
Ayayo! When execution is capping,
nobody must chip in. Now me, Isaac, the executioner emeritus of Kegamare, the Ikwere Banki one of all Ikwere communities. I call on you, Prince Odin, because no man challenges the gods to a fight. Even the Holy Book talks say the fear of Prince Odin is the beginning of wisdom. So that we can prevail and triumph over our enemies. Atikperere! Fire! Atikperara! Rocket! Atikperere! Fire! Atikperara!
The arrow that appears in you appears in me. That's what it be. Obiyoyo! Iceland, ayo! Ayo! Hello! Ayo! Lizzy.
Matters are rising. The time has come for we the Icelandos to shine our eyes, because bubbles don't enter this town. One of us don't betray, Sonny don't betray, as Judas will be. In every 12 there is always a Judas. Sonny don't betray, and he's the Judas amongst us. So the time has come for we to shine our eyes and make sure say we clear all the bubbles without enter this community.
I saw it be.
Ezek, the one wey provoke me pass na Ezek the chippy. Sonny for nowhere just the carbon Ezek the chippy. Oh!
Relax yourself.
Relax.
Calm down.
You dey forget say Onitsha, no be Chinko. Aba no be Abakaliki. Calm down. Relax yourself.
Na so it be. Executioner, you don't say anything when time for us to go from that town.
Number one, since he be said the soup don sour, we go follow am up immediately. As he be.
Because of saying brother na man. Now he makes Sonny, he do Sonny like if say the word in carry am for head. But the sec, I be your tap dog, man.
Oh,
just chip in.
Oh, D. And I go live long.
I do like this, my blood dey come.
All of them go live long. Because this day, we shall join hands together and make sure that we sort these bubbles out. Once and for all. Ayo! Belelo! Boom! Wah! Boom! Wah! Boom! Wah! Boom! 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 Wah! Wah! Wah!
Aboy, check that place.
That's what it be.
Just make sure you check all these places. Settle that.
Nah, I don't see that guy.
You don't see am.
Sit down! Like a shot! Sit down! Like a shot! Come on, like a shot! Hold her down! Bring her down!
I greet you all.
We greet you too.
We sit in your midst on behalf of the rest of the elders of this community and the king. This meeting has become very imperative because of recent happenings in our community. But first, I will also have to thank all of you for honoring our invitation for this meeting. Our once peaceful community has suddenly become a theater of war. The clash between rival cults in this community has left so many youths dead. And we said to ourselves that we will not fold our hands and watch our future generation destroy themselves. You are the youth of this community. You are the future of this community. Yes. It is upon your shoulder that we have placed our future. Yes. You are the leaders of this country tomorrow. Our people say that an elder does not stay at home and watch a goat deliver on paper. Day bam, day well, day this, day that. Whatever those names mean, the underlying factor is violence and death.
Yes.
Among you, here, we have professors.
Yes.
Among you here, we have senators,
Yes.
we have governors, we have presidents. We have important personalities of society. And also realize that whatever good thing God has deposited in you will be vanished the moment you are shot dead.
Yes. Let them know.
Shut up.
So, and I said, it is high time we sheath our swords. It is high time we lay down our weapons It is high time we embraced peace and brotherly love. With what is going on now, this community will never grow because everybody is living in fear.
Yes.
Get yourselves engaged in meaningful activities that will grow you and grow the community, rather than engaging yourself in cult activities that are taking lives. Our land has lost so many lives. Our land has seen so much blood, and it is high time we stopped all this. So, my children, from the king and from the elders, we are pleading with you. We are appealing to you for us to embrace peace. That is the reason for this meeting.
Aromate, 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 Aslad, ayo, boom, 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 boom. I will tell you, I will rock it. I think Barara, I think Barara.
That's how it be.
Mercy, we have heard you. We, the Icelandos, have heard you clearly. But for this meeting to hold, for this movement to get ahead, one thing is certain.
That is what?
You see, we Icelandos, we don't take for this Kega Marine deck.
No be lie.
Now we first spin flag.
Now so it be.
Before every other deck.
That's how it be.
You hear me? And for that reason, we don't see anybody we call themselves Bobos or Papas or Mamas or anything. Because when we run things for this town, we don't see anybody. When our borrow people, they challenge us, call this place, call the bomb house, they kill our people, we don't see anybody. When we pure Angela, they make things they happen. When government recognize us today, we don't see any Bobos. Who go Bobos now? Bobos we never see pants we are. Wait, see this one where they like Bulon go take office pin less. Now then we call them make mouth anyhow. See, Mazi, I know Ibozu. See, if I want to make peace day, first of all, make una tell these people, make them hide this flag where they keep here.
Elder, I see you as a very respected elder. But for this small boy to open his mouth, they talk to you anyhow. Na rubbish. See you don't get respect for elder. You dey call us dirty people, abi? This white way is in a peace. That's why we dey come with peace. Yeah, but as you say with dirty, so we go use our dirty. Now, let I tell you, say, elder say here they talk how this community go dey bam. You dey just rant your mouth. Who dey talk dey bam? Who dey bam now? Because mother focus o. Community go dey bam. Which community? This community go dey bam. Now wetin elder dey talk? Listen up very well. You dey mad? Shut up! I tell you all should shut up! What's wrong with you? Huh? The elders are seated here, pleading with you for peace. Mazi, I told you that we are the king's representative. We are here for peace.
Yes.
You fools does not even know what it takes to give elders respect. We are talking of how this community will do well.
like this, they flex. They flex, so blazing like this rocket. They constant, they talk for my front.
Son of his corrupt.
That's suicidal! Blood and shots today. Blood and shots. Continue shot now with the blow. And on this side, if I see you on here again, and I'm gonna see her, any IB things time.
Try that rubbish next time.
People don't fight. We go tell there's a lion, even when lion they sleep. Nobody go fit touch them. So.
That's so. We go tell them say this 3 parts no dey whole period.
Hey, them are not fucked up. Them are not fucked up. I'm not say. Hey, we need to send this guy a message.
What's the execution I better choose?
Oh, I don't know. You see what just happened that place? That papa man just bust her head like this. Bust her confirm man. For my kuru, I ain't the bust the head.
When I play this game, I just surrender myself because I don't judge and say, man die. Woman born another.
Rocket you, what that be?
I don't say my dog.
Jesus. This is so terrible. So disgraceful. Can you imagine that Emenike of yesterday has the guts to break Mazi Okoko's head with bottle? Hi! What is this community turning into? This is a very, very shameful and serious one.
What is community turning into? But your mother was there playing this corrupt game with them, which is very bad. Of a thing.
Don't mention my mother's name here at all. Don't try it. Don't try it.
Please, people should stop this. Why are you ranting?
Tell her.
Why are you guys quarreling? We are here talking about what happened at the meeting today and you are here quarreling, shouting at each other. Please, people should stop this. You are too big for that.
Please, help me tell this young lady here. Not to mention my mother's name at all, because she didn't see my mother with any weapon. Neither was my mother the person that broke Mazi Okoko's head. Please tell her not to mention my mother's name at all. I won't take it like with her.
Was she not there? Was she not there?
But she is not lying. Oh. She is saying the truth.
What truth? Your mother is Agadia Kwenka.
Oh.
Did you see her sitting with those small rats? Smoking and drinking. Tell your mother she is too big for that. She is too big for that. If when you get home, advise her, okay? Advise your mother. Yes, okay. Talk to her.
I won't blame you, but I won't blame you. So you have the guts to stand before me and insult my own mother, Okay, trust her now. You know who she is. Area mama.
Truth is bitter, and I have to go and advise her.
What she will do to you. What will she do? And when she comes here, she will teach you both how to bang your lips.
Then we will bury her. Go and congratulate your mother. Go and congratulate her. Please, let's go.
Look at this girl.
Hey,
Me, as I'm a faithful, I provoke. I dey para, asma I dey para. See me, Nandega men get mine. But I don't go to head for they get mine, but I don't go to head. So they can move that, take back. Who goes take back? Who goes take back? Who goes take back now? Where would they not this when they die? Where would they make this happen? Where would they flow you go where they die? Where would they make this happen? Me, I am PG. Me, I am executioner. Star at the fence. Be still number one. At the fence. You not come, you not go see. And if you not see, you not go see. At the fence. Hey, you can't be my number one. I swear by my prison. If I don't tumble them, if they are number one, there is no road, there will be no peace. There will be no peace in this community. The government will hear our voice. In fact, see, we will see Osama. We will send message to Osama. Tell us that things don't change. We need Baba stop put one hand for soup. We go show them who will be. They go collect. We go tell them say that will be IMP. We go tell them say that will be Osama faithful. We go tell them say that will be the grandsons of Kadiri. Come lie. And they hear me.
If you want to
My daughter, look at my head. I said, look at my head. Hey. It will never be well with this boy.
Hey. In this community, I don't know what we are going to do. I think it's time for us to invite the police.
I don't want to say anything.
Sorry, let's go.
You see, the government must come into this matter. These boys, hey, I will deal with them. I said I will deal with them. I said look at my head. Look at my head. Look at my body. My blood. In my own community. In my own community. I will never forgive them. I said I will never forgive them. I said I will never forgive this man. Forgive them. Forgive them. Look at my head. Are you looking at my head? My own blood. I said my own blood. My blood. My daughter. My special daughter.
Bobos. Bobos. See, as it don't be on, I don't see him. And as we start out like this with them, that's how we're going to bust them. We're going to bust them. Any head that will not respect itself, they're going to go down. As it don't be now, as we say we don't start out like this, any head that you see with a red cap,
Bubbles! What I want to tell on be say? Now where the matter be like this? Make on a look at it for me say on our friends. No be community game one of the play now, cut easy. One of those on our friends, even they go easy on a shine. Anyway, I will see any of them, bring them down. Who go come all of them? Then they follow the team, who go let them? Go what is the God, don't worry us.
Bubbles! We go let them know say, no be by the crowd. They don't say we many abi. They don't say so many.
How many they who they be? As the man card for you, myself. As you carry card for you, not be child.
Prince Nazi,
I go let them know say I be the beautiful vulture. What be true about the rock?
You scatter my head.
Stay. Damn you. When you on my way see you, I said Zach don't talk am. Na friend be.
Baba, see, as he be say them don't say we will be dirty people. Who go the dirty them? Step. Then look at your number. As our number be, we go the chase them. Pick them anywhere they enter. As for now, make a tell on now. Anything where you go, pam. Guy, that's here this evening. You go call him. We need to meet this evening. There we go. Arrange something just well for them. We guys they knock them anywhere they gather. Any red.
I'm really ashamed of myself. Look at my only child. My only daughter was among them. You know the funny thing there? This is exactly what took the life of my only son, Ebuka, in this community. And now my only daughter. My only daughter.
Take heart. Take heart. You know what you know? Even Emenike, that I so much have regard for in this community, have joined them. Yeah, and even their leader now. Didn't you see what happened yesterday? Or had in this community? How he broke the head of Elder Coco with a bottle. An abomination. What has never happened before in this community happened yesterday.
My sisters,
my dear.
our children have turned to something else.
I'm telling you.
Hey!
Only you, I'm telling you.
My eyes have seen my ears.
Yes!
And if these children involve native doctors, hey! They will become audacious. Even police or army will not handle them anything again. We are going to fast. We are going to pray.
Done.
You are right. For these children.
Yes.
That God will deliver them from
yes. I believe He will.
Yes.
He will, because He is the only one we have.
My sister.
The children have become another option.
I'm dying.
She will not.
God
will rescue her.
Hey!
God will deliver her.
Somebody should help me to tell her that she's my only child.
Take heart. Take heart. We are all crying for you. God will hear us.
You are hearing me?
Our community cannot remain like this. It cannot. God must do something in this community.
My son, I'm so happy that you're now a graduate. And very soon, get work. I want to beg you. All these things happen in our community. My son, please don't join them. Don't join them. So remember how I suffered frying akara under the mango tree. So, and everything was upon me. Now you're out from the school. I want to beg you. Don't join them in their courtesan or whatever they call themselves. If
I forgot everything in life, I can't forget how you suffered with your account.
to make sure I'm in school. And I've never disappointed you. No, promise. I think. See, my staying in school, I really bounce. Is it now I'm out from school?
Oh, okay.
I'm too big for that. To give me some credit.
Okay, Mom. You made me proud.
Thank you.
But you see why I'm sounding this? Either as a warning or advice, because now these people are at your doorpost. You wake up in the morning, they're the first thing that you see. They call themselves Odeba, Odewa, or they were, I don't even know. And you know one funny thing? It's like they are manipulating people into this court. When they started, they are just few. But now, they are many, my son. I just want to beg you. Let them not charm me to join them. See, if you see them coming this direction, just pass to the other side. Give them gap. I beg of you.
Why? No, mother, tell me why?
I don't want to lose you.
I can't do that. Mother, don't forget I'm a member of this community. So I can't. See, mother, we the youth have decided to call them to order. If they refuse to listen to us, whatever thing is, they should refuse.
Son, with what? These people are with gun. Killing everybody in this community. My son, I beg of you.
Mother, stop this. What do you expect? Mother, you don't expect us to fold our hands and watch them terrorizing the community. Our mothers haven't slept because of them. They do everything they like for us. Are they the only ones in this community? If they think they are too strong, they should go outside and fight and come back.
It's true,
not in their land.
Hey!
So, relax, nothing will happen. Okay? Calm down.
I want to beg you. Okay, my son, if you must go, allow those people, you know, those are with muzzles, let them be at front. Always be at the back, Leave those people with muzzles and Akpobi to be at the front. I beg you.
Nothing will happen. At least I'm not
going to find people with guns.
More than the last.
People with guns, my son. Hey!
I see, with all due respect, I had to discuss with you. Considering all this has happened in this community, it's not good for us. You and I know that this whole thing is giving our people sleepless nights. Situation whereby your father, your mother, sisters, and the younger ones, they are sleeping with fear. How the son to you say a man like you, a respected youth in this community like you, and that's so stupid called Emelike. Just raise small boys. Boys will never reach anything. They cause problem for community. It doesn't sound well, my brother. So that is why we have decided to come and see you. Just to live with you. Stop all this. So bros, that is why we say let's see. You're not here for trouble. You're not here for problem. You're not here to insult you. You know, this they wear and the band issue.
That is focus there. The Jones. But then, what you call bring about them up here? They talk to me, they talk about they were, they bam, the Jones, they go use your head.
I see. Me. That is me.
Isaac, if one play hitman, go outside, go play your game. Then come back community, we go protect you. This one is there, they mumu yourself up and down. Just say we go support you. About it, you waste your time.
Me mumu myself.
You mumu yourself, you waste time. See, go outside, play anything you want play. Then come back community.
We go protect you, bro. You just mumu yourself for community, yeah.
So they community they do this thing. Who want protect you?
See this so idiot, Emelike, as big as he is. A man I think he's responsible. Go use bottle. For that old dying man head. And if he say they play game.
Because in fact, like
this thing will help us now. See, you are a youth of this community. If a strong youth, well, we say we work, or you guys will are there to protect the community. But no, they're going to scatter community.
Imagine that. Imagine that.
Guy, it's not by drawing crayon for hand. Makes you a game person. We don't see you, we don't believe you.
Una don't finish. Una don't finish.
See, you need to listen to us. You get? Listen, just let me see. It's not everything. There's what we call self-advice. Have you ever asked yourself, at the end of all this, what will be again? That's it. Have you ever asked yourself that someday you will get married, you will have children? What will you advise them? No. What will you advise them? You should take. All these things will not pay. It won't pay.
And I don't talk to you.
We'll never talk to you. You should listen to us. Ross will never talk to you.
I don't talk
This
to you.
thing they do doesn't make sense. Then they bring confusion between this and that.
Then they behave as if it's small picking. You know what we are talking, asking us if we don't finish? Isaac, advise yourself. Leave this school, what way they play.
Wait, man, wait. Before 3 of you conspire, come meet me to ask me such stupid, dirty, idiotic questions. Una no ask on yourself, what if it happen to Ona?
Isaac, this is not time for all this. See, what I expect from you is to listen to us.
I know. Make I listen to you for the nonsense, for the jargons and the stupid words and dirty words when they come out of your mouth. Is that what you're telling me to listen? Hey, listen, you listen to me. Before Abraham put in words, the army, the next time the 3 of you go waka come here, come meet me, they tell me nonsense. Oh, I swear to thee. You where they talk, and they talk, you they laugh. The next time when I go come here, I go put your head pin for Market Square.
No fit try am. Austin.
1 million times no fit try am.
Austin, calm down. I believe that.
We talk to your friend.
We know ourselves.
A peaceful message.
No need not to swear.
Isaac.
So, I dey talk, and I get mouth to talk.
What will you be, sir?
Abi?
What will you be?
Because I dey talk, you approacher, you get man dey ask me that I go fit swallow community.
Come on, bring that thing down. Come on, don't see this in our campus.
If you move, I go shoot down. We have seen this.
Don't see this in time for campus.
If you move, I go shoot. Anybody will move, we talk nonsense, I go shoot the person. You where they talk, if not be Akara where your mother they fly. Where make them feed the chop. If a big guy might talk to me, at least I'm responsible. At least I listen. You where I listen. Carry your belly progress the door, shall come here. You don't come to claim son of the side because they allow you enter you. You don't mind? You know before for that Tombaba where they ticket die. That's what I say. When I have African, that's what I tell Tombaba. And I get my friend to tell me rubbish. Any of them will talk rubbish. See, what I can do is to shoot. See, make I tell you now. You see, not be saying all of us from this community. I could just shoot all of them now. Better than one hand.
That person you don't get sense.
You hear me?
That person you don't get sense from the same community. That is why the person stop this way you do. You do for this nonsense, I beg.
See,
what you don't want is that?
Don't provoke me more.
Get more could they go.
Make on just carry on that dirty self.
Sure, what is that, right?
Carry on a big head and on a small leg. Let you human being come and make on come up from here. Now my show be. Make God punish all of them. Because make on go tell them you know the years make you come out here. If they take I tell the brother listen, I will kill you. I will kill you. Your mother no go better anybody against you. Our family will kill.
Isaac, you know go go.
You better start thinking like this. Show the punch door. You forgot for US.
Go speak God and go wrong. Just borrow there.
See this stupid thing now. See this idiot. You were with your big head, nothing is sabi. Your father, the evil man, if he just they keep people up and down. They come make them out to come talk to me inside this corrupt man. He go fix this corrupt. I go kill you, carry your head, put for Market Square. They go use you do some board. The devil people go let us say from you. Now my show me. Come here again, come tell me rubbish. Make God punish you now. Make I go see this guy first.
Ichiokoku,
My elder, you are welcome.
I say, let me come and see you. Since after the commotion and confusion of that meeting we had that day, let me come and see how you're feeling. Hey,
oh. Elder!
Is this keeping you? Sorry. But what I don't understand is how Emenike, the son of Igwedibia, a boy we all know was a peaceful boy, a boy we know that he was so obedient in this town, a boy we all cherished. How he suddenly became a tiger is what I can't understand. And the anger I saw in his eyes that very day surprised me. In fact, our community is in trouble. Can you imagine what happened that day? That is why I had to run for my dear life, oh. Because if a chicken runs out in the morning pursuing you, our elders say you should run because we don't know whether it has started teeth in the night. Sorry. That's why I don't see.
Elder, each year, I will never forgive that boy. I said I will never forgive him. I will never forgive him and his family. I will deal with that boy. After dealing with that boy, this community will know why I am called Ichie Okoko.
Ichie, if you ask me, I will say, let sleeping dog lie. Let the sleeping dog lie. Because the kind of anger, the kind of wickedness I saw in that boy's eyes tells me that he is ready to do even more than he has done. He's ready to do more. So why don't you just leave this thing? It won't kill you.
Elder, Ichie, if I will forgive that boy and his family, I will only do that because of the respect I have for you.
Thank you very much.
Because you are my elder. And you as my elder cannot talk to me and I refuse to obey. But, Ichie, I have not told you that I have forgiven them. But for now, I will calm down.
Just like I said. The things that will bring them out, will bring them out. You will be here and see them suffering their actions. The gods of our land will definitely fight for us. Thank you for taking care of me. Why I am here is that I am aware that both of you are part of our youth leadership. But it baffles me that you are sitting down here and watching these boys ravage this community. I also know that both of you do not belong to any of the sides. So I ask, why are you people keeping quiet? These children have turned this community upside down. Chasing elders here and there. Killing people and spilling blood on this land. I was thinking that as part of the youth leadership, by now you should have swung into action and stop this program that is happening in this place. Little kids have taken over the community. So I'm feeling that our youth leadership are not doing anything. And that's why I'm here. And I'm not happy about it.
Ichie, we are very sorry for what is going on in this community. It's not funny. On the other hand, too, it's also funny. You know, they are still part of this community.
they are also the youth of this community. You understand? We'll try to find out why they have chosen, to give problem to the people of this community. Just like Emenike, who claims to be the principal of the so-called Deba, and the other one is Isaac, who also claimed to be the principal of so-called Ewe to Iceland. But we are not part of them. As you can see, I'm a graduate. Also a graduate. But we have seen a lot right there in university, but we never, giving second thought of being part of them. And that's the reason why at their age and level, they should indulge themselves in such acts, giving their fathers and their mothers and their younger ones sleepless nights, all in the name of courtesy. It will not pay them good. But before we, the youth, will carry out any action, first we have to, have a dialogue with them. We must find out why they are behaving like that. Maybe if their reasons are not palatable to us, we have no choice than to strike.
The earlier we do that, the better. Because we can no longer sleep with our two eyes closed in this community.
Mazi, like you said, we'll have to call the both parties and ask them questions. Then from there, we'll not know what to do. We don't just want to swing into actions without knowing
solid.
Yes. Yeah. So once we find out what the problem is, we'll not know what to do.
Like I said, we are running out of patience with the elders. Do you even know that they don't have respect for anybody? Is it they well? Say that my red cap is a symbol of their fraternity. Do you know that I cannot wear this red cap and move freely within this community? They're harassing me here and there. Little boys. All of you just keep quiet and look at them like that. It's not fair. Even one small boy saw me the other day and was calling me, hey. I didn't even know it was me he was calling. When I turned, I looked around, there was no other person. I knew it was me. He said, hey, my friend, will you Debam there? Debam there. Do you know what Debam is?
Just as I said, it's a funny situation. So you just have to calm down. Make sure you go along with your red cap. This is your title. Yes, you will pay fine before the elders. So they shouldn't harass you to the level that you will, move around without a red cap. This is your red cap. This cap have been existing before the so-called barret, they wear something. Please.
Nobody said you should not wear your red cap. Move around the community with your red cap.
Thank you.
These are your children. You understand? After all, there's one other that says that the king will never start market. Nollywood they shout again, don't kill her. So they never see anything. Just come down, take care of this thing.
Well, like I said, I am Ngwangwa.
Alala. Ngwano.
Iche. They said there's only Deba. Iche said to make Deba.
You never say anything. Our village don't turn to Las Vegas.
See, give Chuck aside. Emenike and Isaac before. These are young guys that are meant to be the pillars of this community. Come, what of Sammy say? Why say Sammy come back? Damn man.
Don't go back. No fit challenge these boys. Hold on. But the problem is, you see this guy.
No, wait. Guys, leave that in. Leave that in. Yeah, you don't go to the basket. This is what they tell you here and just bubble juice. You see those boys? We go pick them like Peru, much rope.
Oh, shaking.
We go pick them, do the test, the select.
That one where they feel like Papa is forgetting the Isaac.
No one will see him now.
Go pay.
What is your problem, Sonny? What is your problem? Can't you reason? Can't you for once be a reasonable man? Look, my brother, you have to hands off these court activities. It does not pay. What is your problem? Can't you be a reasonable man? Eh? What is your problem?
See, no verse. Why they make me verse? They make me vex. Now what they make I hate any person government, anything government with them, we need to be happy with them. See with my brother, maybe say you come back and I'm supposed to be happy, say anyhow it be, I don't get defense for the military levels. Maybe say anyhow Bamba you go defend.
You ain't not correct. What's your problem? And they talk you the time say I suppose you the crazy. You the mad? Look, listen to me. I understand your plight, okay? I understand how things are going on in this community. But as I'm back, I will make sure I put you on the right line. So that you don't, when time comes, nobody will be pointing at you that you are this, you're that, you're that. That's why I'm here. So that you can be doing things legally. What's your problem?
Sino bros. I have big well for this after now we talk say you go put me right. But how you be?
Look. So let me tell you, see all these politicians. Now their phone, you call their phone, you never ring, said they don't pick. You never ring. And I know they ask them, see, where all those their children them? Let their children say can't lead expedition now, can't lead movement for them. Why is it that they hide their picking there for back? Can't they use on iPhone? I know they ask, and they get sense. On until they don't born children. Okay, wait that your daughter, make she wear your t-shirt, say make she move now, make she follow us go the polling unit, make we go destroy the election. And now they ask them, say okay, wait that your pikin. All those places they put their pikin, make them school, call the pikin, come make him come fight the papa fight. And now they ask them, every time on a night did, every 4 years on a day, every 2 years on a day, on a day tire. Listen, I am back, don't worry. Things will be okay. Alright? I'll make sure I structure you so that you say if you go do okay, alright?
I will leave you.
Go meet this girl where they sell cold drinks here. Tell her to drink another cold one, this more drink, then she give you big.
So now start the drink.
Tell her to give you
drink for charge man. I know say charge man, government man.
These small children, they don't even know what in here. Drink tire for inside bush there. I just come and take container, they wash that. You don't know, small boy.
Madam Ejom, my sister, you need to see Amaka today. In the midst of those court children.
Again?
Need to see. She have even changed her name to Odenibo.
What? Odogini?
Odenibo!
Hey!
Smoking cigarettes! See her? Smoke.
That's gone out of hand now.
Man.
With that elephant.
With that, my sister. Hi!
You see, this is why I said that time that we should excommunicate her from womenhood or forum. And you people refuse.
No, now we have agreed. Yes.
She's now a big shame to womanhood.
To her family, not me. Need to see her. Hey. You see? She's now Odenibo.
What are we going to do? I think I don't want you. I don't want you. I said, come on, there, man. What did I worry you? So, now me, when I use the name for this village, I'll be. You know, say there. I said, come on, there, man. I'm here doing that for this community. Good evening.
You are welcome. You are welcome. I am getting better. Very okay.
And
even the injuries
is healing. We thank God. We thank God. And that is why we decided to come and see you and to greet you. Because we were there and we saw what happened the other day. Please forgive them. Forgive them.
That I should forgive that boy. Emenike. I should forgive him. The reason I am called Ichie Okoko does not mean that I am an Okoko. But because I am one of the mouthpieces of this land.
Yes.
That boy raised his filthy hand with a bottle and broke the bottle on my head. I will never forgive him. I will use the last drop of my blood to deal with him and his family.
Biko. Don't just go there. Hey! Fight to who? Emenike. That boy's heart is at the back. Now, for him to raise his hand that day and block bottle on your head is to tell you there's fire on the mountain.
Yes.
Now, please, just forgive him.
Forgive.
That I should forgive him. If you are to cost that blood I wasted that day, how much will it be?
No, it was much. It was much.
Orika, eh? Orika. Ichie Apion was here earlier today. He pleaded with me to forgive him.
You see?
If I am to forgive that boy, the gods of this land will never let him go. He will never go unpunished. He will die a miserable death. And his generation will never remember him.
It's very painful, but take it easy.
Take it easy on him.
It's okay.
Abomination we know.
It's okay.
One guy is way.
Hey!
Yeah.
We'll be going, eh? Take care of your daughter and yourself.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Ichie Benson. Ichie Benson. My heart is bleeding. I said my heart is bleeding. It has become too obvious in this community that there are two cult groups in this land. And one of the leaders of the cult groups is that boy they call Emenike. You see that boy? I will deal with him. I will deal with that boy. I will deal with him.
Remember that this boy is yours. It's like your son. He feels for your kitchen. You have to deal with him like a child. What do you want to do with him?
Oh, you've not heard?
Heard what?
The king sent us to unite the groups, all the youths in this land, to unite them. In the course of having a good discussion with these boys, this boy called Emenike picked a bottle and broke my head. In fact, the blood that I wasted that day, if you cost the blood is more than 100,000. Based on that, I have decided to do one thing. I will join one of the cult groups.
You want to join one of the cult groups? God forbid!
I will join them well.
God forbid! Did I hear you say you want to join cult group called them well?
Teacher, very soon you will hear me say in this land, now we aromate wither.
You will join them to say aromate wither. There is a saying that said that a lady is too big to practice prostitution at old age. And why should you go and join aromate on this your age? You are too old to wither. I am talking to you. You are too old to wither. Aromate, wither.
Iche.
Wither. Iche. Can you wither that thing? These small children are withering. You know what you mean by wither? Iche, I will advise you not to go to. In fact, if you decide to join them, we will discommunicate you from elder. You will no more be in the elder council.
Who cares? Who cares? I don't even want to be in the elders council. I want to join these boys so that see, I know how to handle God. By the time I start releasing the bullets, people like Emenike will start disappearing. They will start disappearing. People like you will no more exist in this community. If you people will crown me the leader of the elders council, the youth will crown me the leader of the youth council. By that time, you will know that I am no more. That I am the greatest in this community. Enough is enough. I won't take that kind of nonsense again. That a very little boy that I know the day his mother gave birth to him will pick a bottle and break my head. And you, the elders, did not do anything, and you are telling me that you will. Elder, I'm just reserving my respect.
Cut me out, join with them. I will never follow you and join with them. I am no more your friend. You will be discomplicated for elders council.
Elder, I better be on me. I cannot see that you are supporting that boy called Emenike. In fact, I don't have anything to say.
I'm tired of you. An old man like you, aromate.
Now we aromate wither. Now we aromate wither. Now we aromate with her.
Papa.
Eh?
Which one is Navio aromate with her? You better bring down your voice before those bad boys comes after you.
You mean those boys come after me?
Yes.
By tomorrow, I will be officially joining Nawio aromate with her. I'll be a member.
Papa, you're joking. You're not serious. You're not serious. Because you are old enough to be their father. You're not serious, Papa.
What are you talking about? Were you not there the other day? When that boy called Emenike picked a bottle and broke my head. Were you not there? The only thing you could do was to just disappear. You ran away. Even the elder the king sent with me to address those boys disappeared into thin air. Everybody ran away. Nobody stood there for me. And you are telling me I shouldn't join those boys. I shouldn't join them to say, Nawio, aromate, wida. You must be joking. You must be joking.
But Papa, I took care of you. After the injury, I took care of you, Papa. Papa, that's not the reason you will tell me that you want to go and join those children. That game is for children and not for old men like you. Or don't tell me you want to become Odenibo. That fat whatsoever. Don't tell me you want to become Odenibo, Papa.
The only thing that will protect me, even that will protect you, is to join those boys. So that I will deal with that boy.
Papa, I am already protected. But since you've made that choice, since you've made the decision, no problems. Just get ready to become childless.
Who cares? I better become childless than having you as a daughter. No, I will not be childless. I want to join that group to protect you and protect myself too. So that any of those boys that appears here, I will use my double barrel and destroy them. Papa. As a member of Nawio, aromate, wida. Do you know what that means? I will never be childless.
No problems. I'm going inside there and I'm leaving. I'm leaving this house and I'm going back to my maternal home.
Hey! You are not going anywhere. You better come and give me my food, idiot.
Isaac. Micheal, listen. If you come to come see me from my barrack, you better mind the way you address me. This is not the village square that you can talk to anybody anyhow. If you want to address me, you better call me Ezek or executioner. Call it in full. You hear me? Ezek. Whatever you are, I don't want to know. I came to say you.
Executioner.
Rugged you.
You see, you saw what happened the other day. That little boy, that small boy, Emenike, picked a bottle and broke it on my head. That boy, I will deal with him. I will deal with him. Ezek,
Rugged you.
I have decided to join your court.
Jai, may Odin be praised and me. Isaac, aka Italian, the executioner emeritus of all the autonomous Ikwere community. Mazi, sufferings and lessons for those who refuse to learn. You see that day for that village square, I witnessed everything that happened. I see everything with that idiot, that miscreant, that hoodlum, that leech, goblin. We never see anything for life, carry bottle to bust your head. You see? At the time you say, you don't come to the right place at the right time.
You see, just because I said this village must do well.
Oh.
That was why that boy picked a bottle and broke it on my head.
Oh, you see?
And again, you know, I love your language. Nawio, aromate, wida. I want to join. I want to join.
Mazi, do you know why I always call you Aro Ibozu? It's because you always flag red. And you always behave like a dead body. Yes. Aro Ibozu. Don't worry, Mazi. Everything is settled. You're just at the right place at the right time. First things first. Tomorrow, we'll go carry you go. By tomorrow, we'll carry you go Side Island. There and there, we'll go blend you. Drill you with rum and 30 machete drilling. Yes. 30 machete drilling. You hear me? No pain, no gain. You hear me? You want cluster Iceland though? No be go drill you so that they say suffering and lesson for those who refuse to learn. So go drill you, go learn. Then for there we go give you orientation. You go know what's in there. Then this your Aroibozu go dey officially announced to the body say now you Mazio Koko aka Aroibozu for Iceland so that you will become IMP sailor. You hear me? Then there we will give you orientation so that when you dey cap, they go know say ta rugged sailor this cap. No be all this apapa them. You see those chiefs them where they misbehave, down where they there where they bust your head that day. All of them go soon die. How many can go kill them throw away finish? Because they no get brand, they never embrace. But you, we don't come embrace the IMPs. Rugged you see what you are.
So you mean I will be a member of your court from tomorrow?
I say after Side Island finish Bagam, you don't become safe.
Hey!
Anywhere
so from tomorrow, anywhere, I will be saying, now we are roommate with us.
No problem.
Hey! Where? In fact, he was a chair. He was a chair. You see those chairs?
We will make you
from today, they will be afraid of me.
They should be afraid of you because you are now a chief in our day.
Hey!
They hear me? So say Lord, rise and shine. No lele for you. They hear me?
Hey! I'll be on my way now. Now we are roommate with her. I am a complete man now.
Get you. What's Calabar? Say Lord, rise and shine. Nothing to you. They hear me? Go. Any shaking tree is a target. Go follow woto. They are go turn desert. Idiot. Turn and fire their mother.
Elders.
What is it?
What is it? About Mazio Koko.
What happened to him?
Oh, you haven't heard that he is now a member of one of the deadly groups called groups in this community. Is it funny?
Do you know that Etiko came to my house last time? And he came to tell me he wants to join one of these deadly groups. I called him that a woman will not practice prostitution at old age. And he was shouting, Aro, mate. I don't really understand what he was shouting because I am not interested to know. I am too old for that.
And if I may ask, what did he say his reason for wanting to join them?
He said the elders and the whole community refused to assist him, even when the court boys broke his head.
Etiko must be the worst idiot in this community. In fact, I don't know the adjective to qualify the kind of stupidity in Etiko. Hey. He's saying of nobody contributed when the Emenike broke his head.
Yes.
What of the other women? The woman that died, even Ijoma, that was shot on her leg. See, the only thing we will do now is let us put our fingers crossed. The moment we confirm that Etiko has joined those little boys, in fact, we will excommunicate him from the council of the elders. He can never come near us again.
Elders.
Now I know that Etiko is completely mad. But what I have not been able to figure out is the name of his brand of madness. Oh, this reminds me. You see, nothing goes without a cause. If you see a little bird dancing on the road, the orchestra that is playing band for it is in the bush.
Like they said, a stubborn fly follows the cock to the grave.
Yes. You know why I'm saying this? It seems he has started nursing the idea, the ambition to join these cause groups even before the meeting in which his head was broken.
Yes.
Because you know what he said that day? Knowing full well that one of the groups answers "day well," he said that he wants this community to do well. And that was what provoked the attack on him.
Yes, now. Exactly.
So, you see, I'm just trying to figure out exactly what happened that day. Oh, just like you said, the moment we confirm this information, I tell you, we will excommunicate him from
the elders council.
He will no longer come near us.
There's no way after eating on the ground, he will come and join the elders on the table.
Koko will never ever come near us.
Yes. German.
You again. You again. What are you doing in my house? After killing my son, you still have the guts to come to my compound again. Now what do you want?
Come on, keep quiet, teacher Amadi. Keep quiet. You will not live long. You will not even be alive to harvest those nonsense crops planted on my father's land. And you will not be alive as well. You will not live to see the beautiful building of structure we plant on that land.
Your father, your late father, disturbed this community with that is called so-called army uniform. Now you again. Now you again. Tell me, what do you want?
You, Chamadi. Any of you that will step this rubbish, dirty feet from that land again, the person will visit his ancestors. I will tell the person, anybody that gets close to that land, I will kill that person. And I will tell you that I am Full Sergeant Sammy, licensed to kill. Go and ask after me. Ask my friend Abdullahi. Ask my friend Musa.
You are mad. My own father's land. My own father's land. Just because I left this community. I was in the north to fight for this great nation. When I collect my fatherland, you and those your stupid sons, I will deal with them. I will deal with them. Yes.
Everything about me now, right? No be child, over here, yo. That's it. Sit down, we don't take back now. We are jumping.
Come on, Ruth! Come on! Come on, come on.
Hey! I just got to warn you. I been a dingbow. I been a dead trouser. I been a dead pint. I just come warn you. Say make you leave my daughter for me. Come on, my daughter from that thing. What they do for this community? What they call court?
Etiko.
Sit down there.
Come on, down there without you. So, you know the fear, Abi? So you know the fear face. It look me finish. Just waka. Come for my cabin. Come the Nyatori. You know the fear? Etiko.
You remain for a house. Now I want to ask you so. I been at this thing where you carry when the shit to make you.
Come on.
Hold your house.
What did they worry you?
Now this. Turn, make I see what you make. I just they tell you. Now the same thing where you do
where you carry my only son, Ebuka, carry go chook for that place. They collect her from my hand. Now again, you don't carry my only daughter. I carry go beg you. Your marital daughter. Say me your pikin leave me. When you go carry go chook there, you go carry my only Adamu one. My own marital carry go chook there. Yes, they say you for me. As a mother, you kill my first son, they not do you. You carry my only daughter. As a mother, they for the one. And they tell you for the one. They protect her. Hey, they I just want to warn you. Mama, now God, now they protect you. Before tomorrow, if you don't come out the name of my daughter from that place, the one I want you. If you see the craze, so if you see the craze, till it. If you see the craze, Mama, give me my shoe. I want it tomorrow. Come on, we die. In the craze.